Welcome to Artisan Heirloom Foods. And today I want to talk about fungus gnats. Now right there you can see on the bottom of that basil, you see him? He's moving. There's a little fungus gnat. And you can see him flying around. I'm a little irritated by this because this just started happening last night. And the thing was that I after reading about fungus gnats this morning, I learned that if you bring in your soil from outside, then you could potentially have fungus gnat eggs in the soil. And I thought to myself, okay, well, I can see that maybe. But I bought my soil from Lowe's. It was a Miracle Grow potty mix, garden mix, potty mix, I don't remember. And when I brought it home from the store, I also bought a plastic storage tub. And I thought to myself, what I'll do is I will dump all the soil into the storage tub, and that way I don't risk accidentally knocking the soil over in the house and it going all over the floor. I thought, that's what I'll do. And then I'll just put the lid on it. Well, the soil had fungus gnat eggs in it, apparently, because I have tons of fungus gnats. And there's one on that basil, and there's one back there on that basil hanging out. And the reason why I haven't had a problem with it up to this point was because all of my grow light station was in my family room, which if you have seen my other videos, you'll recall me saying that, see, there's one, that it's really cold in there. It's in that. And so the fungus gnats the eggs didn't hatch. But when I brought them in here to where it's up to 75 degrees, well, and then I just watered them 2 days ago, well, what happened? They started hatching, and now I've got a ton of them. They're all over the place. So I went online this morning. I Googled it, fungus gnats and what to do. Love the internet because it tells you all kinds of things to do. And it suggested, I looked at 3 different articles, and they all said the same thing. Take a spray bottle and add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 3%, and 3 parts water. Spray it on the soil, and that'll kill all the larvae. Because it's really not the adult gnats that you need to be concerned about, because they don't really do anything to the plant. It's the larvae. The larvae actually eat the roots of whatever plant you have, and that's what kills and affects your plant. So what I'm going to do is I have this little spray bottle, and I'm going to spray the soil in that, and it's supposed to kill the gnats and their larvae. So we'll just see. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you because this is just kind of the trial and tribulations of gardening. I didn't even know anything about this before last night, and this is a learning experience. Like I've said before, I'm on a journey, and this is part of that journey. It's trial and error. So I wanted to take you along, share with you, and if you have any comments, any solutions, any tips, what your experience is, share them. We're always welcome to hear whatever it is you've got to say. If you liked this video and it was useful, hit that thumbs up. If you subscribed or are about to subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell so you get new videos. And I'm going to leave it here. It's a short video, But I just wanted to, well, you know, what I want to say real quick is, with all the gnats aside, look at this basil plant. Look how beautiful this basil plant is. It is so beautiful. And when you touch the leaves and you smell your fingers, oh, it just has this wonderful flavor, or smell, not flavor, because I'm not eating my fingers, but has this wonderful scent. And, you know, it's just growing plants, flowers, vegetables is so rewarding. It really is really super rewarding. And I can't wait till next month when spring comes to get out there in that garden and to start planting all of my little babies, all my little seeds, and to watch them grow and be successful and bountiful. And that way I can, you know, boy, there's so many things I can do with this basil plant. I mean, look at it. It's beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. Chop it up and throw it in some spaghetti sauce. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you because this really makes me happy. Doing things like this make me really happy. So I hope you share the same thoughts. Anyway, you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next video.